Dream 100 Business Show welcomes you to the podcast episode where we explore tips and strategies to help you elevate your business to new heights and make it buyer ready. Hey, you are listening to Dream 100 Business Show podcast with Savita Hosamani. We at Dream 100 Business Show are on a mission to help business owners to move to the next level in their personal and business journey by helping them to make smarter decisions. In this show, we decode what goes on in the minds of successful business owners during challenging times and how they converted their dreams into profitable products or services. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. So let's not get into that mode. Today's topic is how to make your business more attractive to potential buyers. Whether you are thinking about selling soon or just planning for the future, these tips will help you to maximize your business value. So let's get started. Selling a business can be a complex and a multifaceted process, but making it attractive to potential buyers is crucial, isn't it? So that you can secure a good deal. So now let's look at the tips to enhance the appeal of your business. The first tip is that one has to improve the financial health and transparency if you are setting out to sell your business. So, let's understand that buyers want to see clear and accurate financial records. So ensure your financial statements, including your balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements, are up to date and they are well documented. So all you have to do is file your returns consistently with the help of the professional. Demonstrating consistent profitability and highlighting growth can significantly boost buyer interest. Everybody wants to invest in something which is growing profitably, right? Also, minimize or make any outstanding debts or liabilities to present a financially sound and less risky statement. So once your financial statements are in place, now let's look into the operations. Streamline your operations and increase efficiency. So, how do we do it? All you have to do is develop and document standard operating procedures for all aspects of your business so that this makes the transition smoother for the new owner, and the new owner will feel that everything is so clearly set out on the table and it would look like a cakewalk for him. Implement automation tools to reduce dependency on manual processes. Thereby, the entire efficiency of the process is increased and it will reduce the cost substantially. See to it that you reduce dependency on key individuals by building a strong management team and also cross training your staff. The next tip is that enhance your market position. Invest in building a strong, recognizable brand that stands out in the market. So, what are the things which will make your brand strong? Having a professional website, an active social media presence, and positive customer reviews. So, these are all the things which will make you stand out in the market. Diversify your customer base to avoid reliance on a few major clients. So, thereby, you will be reducing the risk and showing potential for further growth. Clearly define and communicate your unique selling proposition, that is your USP, because that is what makes your business stand out from other competitors, right? Now, the next step is optimize your physical and digital assets. Keep your physical assets, such as your buildings, machinery, and technology, in good condition. You can also even consider upgrading outdated equipment to improve efficiency and reduce future capital expenditure needs. Ensure that your business has a well designed, mobile friendly website and a strong presence on relevant digital platforms. A positive online reputation can significantly enhance perceived value. The next tip is that prepare for due diligence. Ensure that your business will comply with all relevant laws and regulations, resolve any outstanding legal issues, and have all necessary permits and licenses up to date. Prepare a comprehensive package of essential documents, including contracts, leases, employee agreements, intellectual property registration, and any other critical records. Assemble a team of experienced advisors, including an accountant, lawyer, and a business broker, to help you to navigate the selling process and address any potential concerns from buyers. And there you have it. These are the tips to make your business more attractive to potential buyers. By focusing on the financial health, operational efficiency, market position, asset optimization, and due diligence preparation, you have enhanced the appeal of your business and secured a better deal. So, thank you so much for tuning into Dream 100 Business Show podcast. And if you have enjoyed this episode, be free to subscribe, rate, and leave a review. Join us next time to have more insights and strategies to help your business thrive. Until then, keep striving for success. And as usual, we are always waiting to hear from you. Thank you so much for being such a wonderful listener.